Peoplemover. I love this ride. It takes you through Space Mountain. You get to see the castle. You get to see all of Tomorrowland. So much fun. It's one of my favorites. It moves really slow, but it's nice and relaxing, and such a fun ride.
You take another nap?
I kind of would like to.
So, what are we gonna see?
I know we go through Space Mountain. I think we might go through Buzz Lightyear's Ranger Spin. We definitely get a great view of Tomorrowland and the castle. Other than that, I'm just gonna sit here and relax because I'm really tired. And this is a great chance to catch a break.
Your quiet and carefree highway in the sky. We invite you to sit back, relax, and enjoy your Branson tour of Tomorrowland. Along the way, you can preview many of the exciting places you want to be sure to enjoy today while visiting this land of tomorrow. The Peoplemover is the perfect vehicle for people watching, so keep your eyes peeled. You never know who you might see.
May I have your attention? Please remain seated. This ride has stopped temporarily and will resume motion at any time. Please remain seated.
The Astro Orbiter. I forgot about that.
Thank you.
That is a cool ride. I have to say, I don't know if I have ever been on that ride. And the many times I've been to Disney World and Magic Kingdom, I don't know if I've ever been on the Astro Orbiter.
I have.
Look at all those people.
And now, Tomorrowland Transit Authority proudly presents Progress City, Walt Disney's dream for an experimental prototype community of tomorrow. Progress City was the inspiration for Epcot, and many of its forward-thinking ideas have been realized throughout Walt Disney. If your future includes shopping, then you'll want to visit Winky Star Traders, where you'll find the greatest goods from around the galaxy. That's right! It's not this world!
Back over actually.
At the Tomorrowland Speedway, put the pedal to the metal and speed towards the checkered flag in your very own race car. Young or old, this is your chance to drive in the fast lane without worrying about getting a speeding ticket.
Uh-oh, look where we're going.
Oh, we're going into Space Mountain.
We're now entering one of the real wonders of our world, Space Mountain. Blast off on a high-speed outer space adventure and create the cosmos.
Paging Mr. Morrow, Mr. Tom Morrow.
Paging Mr.
Please
Tom
contact
Morrow.
Mr. Johnson in the control tower
Where is
to
Mr. Tom
confirm your
Morrow?
flight to the moon.
I don't know, they're painting it.
It's dark.
Yes.
It's scary.
It's like our own version of Space Mountain, only at a very small, slow speed.
The people sound scared. It'll be okay. Hang on. I see a light at the end of the tunnel.
Welcome back to Tomorrowland. Be sure to visit Space Mountain while you're here for an adventure that's out of this world.
That was so fun and relaxing.
For a different high-flying adventure, hop on board the Astro Orbiter. Pilot your own spacecraft as you take a spin around the planet and ascend to otherworldly heights.
Do you have a maximum time recording of 5 minutes?
We're now approaching Walt Disney's Carousel of Progress.
Yay!
Inside this rotating theater, whole families welcome you into their homes of yesterday and today, starting way back at the turn of the 20th century. First presented at the New York World's Fair, this legendary circular theater celebrates the progress that has made our lives better. It's a perfect reminder that there's always a great, big, beautiful tomorrow shining at the end of every day.
How many speakers do they have? Oh look, Buzz Lightyear.
This time it's laughter thereafter at Monsters Incorporated. So drop in and join Mike Wazowski and all his pals at Monsters Incorporated laughing.
Yeah, very good. Keep it moving. We're on a tight schedule here.
As we approach the Tomorrowland Transit Authority station, our Grand Circle tour is coming to an end, but not to a stop, because this transportation system never stops. Thank you for joining us on the Tomorrowland Transit Authority Peoplemover. It's been
Thanks
a
for
pleasure
joining us on the
having you.
Peoplemover.
Enjoy the rest of your day.
Definitely recommend if you're in Tomorrowland.
Tomorrow.
keep your arms away from the doors and remain seated until the doors slide open automatically. Step onto the moving platform with caution and exit by stepping away from the car. Then please keep your arms